short, the decision of this court today is a spit on the face of our people. This court has determined that Ramaphosa must not be held accountable, at least in the immediate. He's playing on delaying tactics, and the court seemed to be his partner in making sure that he does not appear before the committee to account, because that's all what we want, that the president must come to account for what happened in his farm. We know that there are multiple possible transgressions which has happened here. The whole issue of the exchange money from outside coming to his farm unaccounted for, the fact that people were tortured, the fact that state institutions were used to go and abduct people from outside of the country. There are many, many serious crimes which occurred on that farm. And all we ask is that Ramaphosa must come and explain if there is valid reason why the man who bought cows on his farm left those cows there, never came to fetch them. And how did that money come to his farm? Did it come through the river? Did it come through the airport? And why did he not declare to both the tax authorities and to the South African Reserve Bank? We know that he has been protected, as we say, from the time the 1 billion rand, which was given by Stellenbosch, was protected. The courts protected him. We don't know up to now who are those people that gave him that money as a consequence of a court decision. So this decision today is part of that theme of protecting Ramaphosa. And the MK party will seriously consider taking the matter up with the Constitutional Court on a direct access agency basis, so that the court make a clear determination that it has a final say on these matters.
The verdict the verdict in the Cape High Court is extremely worrying. Every South African should be concerned about what is happening here. We are seeing the first citizen of the country, a president, using now the courts to try and shield him from what could be possible